Hi everybody, I'm back with another portfolio review. Nothing in this video is financial advice. I'm just going over how my portfolio is doing and what my thoughts are. So right now my portfolio is at $88,194.42. In my CMA Edge account, that's my taxable account, there's $46,320.70. And in my Roth IRA, there's $41,873.72. The total money that I've contributed to my accounts is $64,862.22. And the total money I've been paid in dividends is $5,196.36. So yeah, my portfolio is doing really well right now. And honestly, it's mostly because of this week. This week was huge, especially for airlines. And I'll talk about that later. But let's go to my current account holdings. So this is all my accounts right here. As you can see, I think that's lagging. I should be over about 88, but whatever. So right now, here's what my holdings are. I have a bunch of different stuff, bunch of different options too. So let's go over this. So I do have 100 shares of Boeing. I already sold away my Berkshire Hathaway B stocks, so it's at zero. They're gone. I have 100 shares of Disney, 100 shares of Realty Income, 200 shares of Delta Airlines, 100 shares of AT&T, 200 shares of Bank of America, and this is new. Today I bought 200 shares of Spirit Airlines. And these are my options. Right now I'm selling a covered call for Realty Income that expires on the 19th. Another covered call for Disney that expires on the 12th, so that's next week. And a covered call for Spirit Airlines. This is why I bought 200 shares of the Spirit Airlines, because I wanted to sell this covered call. Because volatility is so high right now, the premium is a lot. So the premium for this is about $480. And if it gets called away, I'll be totally happy about that. I'll be totally fine with that. Yeah, this is not to like... A lot of people, when they sell covered calls, they sell it at a price where they don't want them to get called away. But for me personally, I actually do want them to get called away, or I wouldn't be mad about it at all. So the strike price for the Spirit Airlines, I set it at $20. Right now, Spirit Airlines is at $22. So as far as things are right now, it's still above what the strike price is. So for now, it looks like it'll get called away if it stays at that price. Now, it could go down, it could go up. We'll see what happens. But yeah, these covered calls should give me some nice premiums if they expire. If they expire worthless. So yeah. All right, here's my Roth IRA. So my Roth IRA, there's 100 shares of REM, 400 shares of Spirit Airlines, and 100 shares of SDIV. So I am selling a covered call for REM, $24 strike price. Right now it's at 26, so looks like it's gonna get called away. But yeah, I did. Where's the cost basis? Yeah, about $49. I sold this covered call too early. I should have waited, but who knew that it was going to go up that much? Oh well. At least I made some money off of it. Alright. So this is why I bought... As you can see here, I do have 400 shares of Spirit Airlines that I bought today. And the reason I did that is because to sell covered calls on them. So, like I said, the premiums is just ridiculous. What is this? Cost basis negative $1,117. So I'm going to get a $1,117 if it expires worthless. I set the strike price at 25. Right now it's at 22. Like, I don't know. This way, I'm good no matter what, honestly. I'll be happy if I keep them or if they get called away. Either way, I'll be fine. If they don't reach 25, if they do reach 25, either way is fine with me. I don't really care. I've decided that Spirit Airlines is a stock that I want to own for a long term. Just airlines in general, man. Oh my goodness. Warren Buffett was so wrong. He was completely wrong. Yeah. Airlines went crazy this week. Extremely crazy. I'll talk about one particular one later, but let's continue. So I am selling the covered call on REM, covered call on Spirit Airlines. And these are puts that I'm selling. So I'm selling these cash covered puts. Today I decided that they were already like up 95%, 96%, something like that. So I'm thinking, well, why wait? Why risk it, Might as well cash out now. So the premiums, well, the cost basis for this, $303, $583, $199. So I got some good money out of it, over $1,000. Yeah, so I sold all of these puts today just to free up my, because when you sell cash covered puts, it sort of sets money aside just in case it does reach the strike price, then you will have to take on those shares. So I kind of did it just to free up my cash. So that's how my portfolio is doing. Doing really good this week. This week was oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm at about 88,000 right now, and it's all thanks to the share prices going up this week. The reason that's happening is because people are gaining more confidence in how the economy is reopening up. Right today, the job numbers showed that a lot of people are going back to work. Employers are getting their employees back to work. Less people are unemployed now. I think it was 2.5 millions that went back to work. So yeah, it was a huge jump in employment. And if you can see the TSA numbers, I don't know, well, whatever. There's a site where you can check how many people go through the TSA checkpoint, I believe, and the numbers just keep on going up. So it shows that more people are flying, which is good news for the airlines. But let's see if we can research one in particular, because I really want to talk about this. This was, oh my goodness, this was trending so much. One airline stock in particular, all right? American Airlines. And if you've been watching my channel, you would know that this is a stock that I went all in on. Like, it was literally completely 100% of my portfolio, American Airlines. And I bought in at like, what, 9 something, around $10. It went all the way up to, the high today was what, $22.80. So if I would have held on to it, I would have over $120,000 in my account right now. But I sold them off because I lost confidence in them. But who knew? Who knew it would run up this much? Even, it's a moot point to say that if I held on to them at over $20 that I would have over $120,000 in my account right now, because knowing me, I would have sold it at around $15 or so just to cash out the money, because right now, like, I understand that there's way more confidence right now, but American Airlines, if you look at the actual stock, it's not a good long-term play. I think what most people are doing is that they want to buy in just to take advantage of the volatility, because it's so volatile right now that who knows? It could go up, it could go down, and not by a little bit either. I mean, to just today, it was up at 11%, right? But yesterday, I think yesterday, it went up like 40% in a day. 40% in one day. Can you believe that? It's insane. Oh my goodness. So yeah, airline stocks are doing so good right now. And I don't know, the market's getting ahead of itself anymore. The good news is the employment numbers. The fact that a lot of people are going back to work, that's a good sign for the economy. So my confidence has increased, and obviously a lot of people in the market, their confidence has increased as well. That's why so many stocks are going up right now. Overall, though, I feel like there are still a lot of problems going on in the country, and plus we have an election coming up too. There's a lot of unknowns still coming up, so who knows? I don't think we're out of the woods yet, but this week was an amazing week. Everything went up super high. I don't know anymore. I really don't know anymore. But yeah, so that's how this week ended up. my portfolio, I'm really proud of it. It's doing really well, and I'll be making more portfolio updates to update you guys on what's gonna happen and whether it goes up or down, wherever, and what I buy or sell. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.